Jollibee's 7 P's of marketing. These are 7 P's of marketing: product, place, price, promotion, people, packaging, and process. About Jollibee. Tony Tan Caktiong began Jollibee in 1978 as an ice cream shop in Quezon City, Philippines. It eventually expanded its menu to include hot meals and became famous for its distinct Filipino-style fast food options.
For the product, Jollibee offers a variety of products including fried chicken, burgers, spaghetti, and local Filipino dishes, catering to diverse tastes. For place, Jollibee strategically locates its outlets in high traffic areas, both domestically in the Philippines and internationally, to maximize accessibility and visibility. For price, Jollibee prices its menu items competitively, targeting a broad customer base including budget-conscious consumers.
For promotion, Jollibee utilizes various promotional strategies such as advertising campaigns, social media marketing, and sponsorships to engage with its target audience and increase brand awareness. For people, Jollibee places emphasis on customer service, training its staff to provide a friendly and efficient dining experience, contributing to its brand loyalty. For packaging, typically packages its meals in branded containers and bags featuring the company's logo and signature red and yellow colors. These packaging materials are often designed to be sturdy and convenient for carrying meals, ensuring that customers can enjoy their food on the go. Lastly, the process. Jollibee maintains efficient processes for food preparation, order taking, and service delivery to ensure consistency and customer satisfaction across its outlet.